If you spend 5 minutes reading about healthcare AI, you'll come away convinced that medicine is about to be automated out of existence. AI will diagnose, AI will answer patients' questions, AI will draft the note and greet the patient at check-in. Soon, we're told, AI simply becomes the interface between patients and the healthcare system. Much of that might be true, but it's also missing the more interesting story. Every significant trend creates a counter-trend. Ebooks were supposed to kill the printed book, and instead, people rediscovered there's something to holding an actual book in their hands and in stepping away from a screen. The technology didn't erase the older experience, it reminded people why they liked it. Healthcare is walking the same path, and most physician leaders haven't noticed yet. To be clear, I'm not talking about AI as a diagnostic tool, decision support, or scheduling and check-in assistant. I'm talking about AI stepping into the clinical relationship itself, taking the history, educating the patient, fielding routine questions, potentially becoming the primary voice of the practice. For plenty of organizations, that's their whole point. Lower cost, higher throughput. But if the relationship gets mediated through a chatbot, what exactly are you selling? My prediction, AI doesn't produce one single model of medical practice. It produces two. One keeps industrializing. The other, direct primary care, concierge medicine, membership models, relationship-driven specialty practices, moves in the opposite direction on purpose. At first glance, that second group looks like it's fighting AI, but I think that's backwards. The physicians who benefit most from AI may be the ones most committed to actually knowing their patients. Let AI handle the documentation, the lab values, the routine messages that eat a physician's day. Every hour it saves is an hour that goes back into the conversation and the reassurance that patients actually remember, the part no AI model can manufacture. Used that way, AI isn't shrinking the physician's role, it's clearing the floor for it. Patients were never just shopping for information, they're shopping for judgment, confidence, and trust. AI can support all three. It can't substitute for any of them. Most of the debate asks whether physicians should embrace AI or resist it. The real question is where it belongs. Deploy it to replace the relationship, and you've brought a faster version of the industrialized medicine everyone already complains about. Deploy it to protect your time for the relationship, and you've built a practice where the technology is the reason you can still afford to know your patients' names. The tool everyone assumes will finish off that relationship may be exactly what saves the practices built around it.